the host now?
Yeah, I'm here.
Santosh, can you please all except me?
Everybody, please mute yourself.
Okay. So, because that I contacted Dr. Sonia, MD Homeopathy, how he can help me about this medicine. So she told me, Nitin, I'm distributing this medicine since March beginning to all the Shiv Sena Shakas, corporate, and I have good stock with me. And I request her, so can you please provide me at the considered rate? So she told me for your uh, family dose, I'll give at considered rate. Plus, if you want to distribute through with your housekeeping staff or security, so I'll charge only 20 rupees, which actually cost for 100 rupees. So I thanks to Sonia about this help. And now I request Niharika to introduce Dr. Sonia, and then after that, Sonia will be in charge about this session.
Yeah, Niharika, you can unmute yourself.
Sure. Yes, I did. Thank you, Nitinji, and good evening, everyone. It gives me an immense pleasure to introduce our guest speaker today evening, Dr. Sonia Hemnani Taskande. She's an MD homeopathic physician and a medical acupuncturist with over 10 years of experience in treating acute and chronic ailments. A mother of two, is also a gold medalist in yoga and naturopathy. She has assisted many eminent physicians and keep upgrading knowledge and understanding of the subject. Dr. Sonia is a specialist in child and women healthcare, practicing in Crystal Center, Raheja Vihar, and has patients all across the globe. She is the founder of Bade Bache, a support group of wellness for senior citizens. So please put your hands together to welcome Dr. Sonia for tonight.
Thank you so much, Niharika ji and Nitin ji, for such a warm welcome.
Welcome, Sonia ji.
Dr. Sonia, just 1 minute.
Yeah.
Remember, if you have any doubt, any question, please share by chat. Then we will be take all the question by end of the session with Dr. Sonia.
Yes, that will be great. Yeah, please, everyone, please put it in the chat.
Yeah, any doubt, any question. So all the question will be taken by by end of the session. Okay.
I
Dr.
want
Sonia,
to share
continue.
my screen. Can you, allow me to share the screen?
Yeah, Santosh. Santosh.
Whoever is a host right now can share the screen with Dr. Sonia.
Just hold on, I'll call Santosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, doctor, you can now share the screen.
Okay. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. We'll start. आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार और जय हिंद. So today I'm glad to be a part of you all and able to share some knowledge given by my teachers and the colleges we have studied, and it gives me a great pleasure to be here and talk about the present condition what we all are going through, the COVID-19. So I'll start with the introduction. Like everybody in every aspect of life, whether they are migrants, businessmen, schools, children, old age, and everybody, the business has affected. It's a global challenge in all the frontiers of life because of the corona and the COVID-19. It has shaken the world actually. It started from Wuhan, a virulent journey. इस वायरस ने इस तरीके की जर्नी ली है फ्रॉम चाइना से हर व्यक्ति तक दिल और दिमाग तक ये वायरस पहुंच चुका है, and it has shaken our soul. So now, what is novel coronavirus or COVID-19? I will be dividing my presentation into 3 parts. So the first part is with the novel coronavirus COVID-19. What is novel coronavirus? They are the positive standard RNA with corona crown-like appearance. They have spikes, as we can see in the picture. Coronum is the Latin word for the crown. स्पाइक ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन, इनके ऊपर एक प्रोटीन होता है इस वायरस पे जो हमारे बॉडी के एस रिसेप्टर्स पे जाके चिपकता है, अटैक करता है, एंड देन इट रेप्लिकेट्स इन अवर बॉडी. रेप्लिकेशन के लिए और सिम्टम आने के बाद का टाइम होता है, इसको बोलते हैं इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड, which is 2 to 14 days. Gradually it goes into the organs. Coronavirus has been actually always existing. You, me, everybody, this universe is already surrounded by more than 73 trillion viruses. This is not a new virus. It's an old virus. But strains are new. There are almost 7 strains of coronavirus. Alpha, beta, MERS COVID, SARS COVID, and the new one, that is the SARS-CoV-2. It is the novel coronavirus that causes coronavirus disease 2019. इसलिए उसको बोलते हैं COVID-19. So it is novel coronavirus because we do not have any antibodies against it to fight against it. That is why it is a new kind, and that is why the world is shaken by it. How did it अपने संसार में हम लोगों बीच में आया कहाँ? बहुत सारे थियरीज के पीछे, but one of the theory is it has come from bats. The bats were the direct contact. Bats are the home for millions of viruses. It is a natural habitat, but it came into our system through this Chinese pangolin. If you can see this photo of a reptile kind of animal in the right corner. So it is said that this Chinese pangolin is it's like a gourmet cuisine in China. ये बहुत इसका मैंने आज देखा, स्टडी किया, तो it is $300,000 of US dollars per kg, and it is so costly. It is taken as a feast in some occasions. So the virus had come into this Chinese pangolin, and from there to the humans, and from humans to other humans. And so it has spread into our beautiful world. Why don't we think कि virus भी अपनी जगह खुश रहे और हम भी हमारी जगह खुश रहे? हमने क्यों उसको हमारे घर में एंट्री दी, या वो अपने घर में ही रहता तो अच्छा रहता? So what is the mode of transmission? Human में droplet transmission, contact transmission, and aerosol, मतलब air से आता है. Contact time, what is the longevity of this virus? ये virus कितनी देर तक जिंदा रह सकता है? Contact time is 30 minutes. Like if somebody is infected in your house or in the family or in the outside also, if you're in that, if he is positive and you are not positive, the more amount of time you spend with that person gives more chances of you getting infected. So even if we go to a picture hall, restaurants, mall, train, picture hall, we cannot come back in half an hour. But we have to be careful that if we go into mall or public toilets are being used, follow utmost hygiene and sanitizer, gloves, and hand wash with precaution of mask and social distancing. This virus can stay on surfaces of cardboards and plastics for 2 days, steel 24 hours, copper for 4 hours, and air for 8 hours. So basically, if it's a fresh air outside, it will not be there. But if you are with a person inside an AC room and the person is infected, then the virus is in the air for almost 8 hours. So there is the chance of getting infected. So we have to limit our time to stay in the virulent environment. So now part 2 is the clinical classification of coronavirus, जो हमारे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Cases mild to moderate भी होते हैं, severe भी होते हैं. तो mild में सर्दी is like flu, but exactly not flu. Many people have loss of smell and loss of taste, nausea, vomiting, and this is a no pneumonia. 80% of the patient will be asymptomatic or mildly symptomatic. From no pneumonia to more intense and manifestations of pneumonia can happen in moderate cases. In severe cases, there is oxygen saturation comes down. Patients with more than 50% lesions in the X-ray is shown within 24 to 48 hours. Pneumonia with fluid in the lungs, and it constitutes 14% of the patients. In critical cases, जो सबसे ज़्यादा ICU में रहते हैं, they have extensive pneumonia, chest pain, pressure in on the chest when you examine.
हाँ बोलो ना.
And feel the pressure.
हाँ नितिन.
Respiratory failure. It consists 6% of patients with loss of speech or movement, and acute kidney failure and other multi-organ failure is also there in the critical cases. So when do we see the doctor? When you have trouble breathing, persistent chest pain and pressure, diarrhea with severe debility, मतलब आपको ताकत नहीं रही. Diarrhea is one of the most common signs of COVID. We all think that it is restricted to pneumonia या सर्दी खांसी, but no. Even gastrointestinal tract, that is diarrhea, is a very common symptom we need to remember. Prolonged high fever, 4 दिन से 6 दिन 10 दिन तक भी इसका बुखार रहता है. Confusion, blueness of lips or face. When you are totally drained and lots of diarrhea and fever, there is no energy. It can happen that your body becomes blue, cyanosis होता है. So that is the time you need to contact a doctor. You can take the help of Arogya Setu app also, where they ask you all the symptoms and visit to your place to know how you are. The Ayush doctors visit and they help you what next can be done. Or you can visit your nearest hospital or doctor before with a prior consultation. How the COVID-19 is from दोनों का similar रहता है, लेकिन काफी फर्क है. Spread is the similar way, like the droplet infection. Novel virus, this virus has no pre-existing immunity, but सर्दी से हमें pre-existing immunity रह चुकी है. This infection is caused only by SARS-CoV-2, but normal flu is caused by many other viruses. It may not express as a running nose or sneezing, or shortness of breath is very rare in flu cases. सर्दी खांसी में आपको breathing problems नहीं होती है. And it is more dangerous than the normal flu because 2.3% is the death rate as of now. And it lasts up to 6 weeks in some severe and critical cases. लेकिन flu जो है वो maximum 1 week 10 days में अपने आप resolve हो जाता है. This one doesn't resolve so easily in few cases. So behind all this, we all have been listening to the concept of immunity. Without proper immunity, we will not be able to fight any kind of infection. So immunity consists of many factors. First is the susceptibility. What is susceptibility? Susceptibility is the amount of reactivity to a certain cause or environment. We all are susceptible to everything, but how much we react is the difference between each person. Suppose एक बच्चे को या आपकी वाइफ से आपका झगड़ा हुआ, तो एक वाइफ रोएगी, दूसरी शायद पति को वापस उल्टा जवाब दे, मारेगी, शायद तीसरी वाइफ निकल जाए वहां से चुपचाप. So there are 3 types of reactions every person shows. The same way our body reacts to different things in a different way. That is why immunity जो है हर एक की variable होती है. It is not constant for everybody. And then the reactivity, your constitution, आप किस आपका बिल्ड कैसा है, आपका माइंडसेट कैसा है, आपका एनवायरनमेंट कैसा है, हाइजीनिक कंडीशंस, आपका सोचने का ढंग, ये सब आपका एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाता है. एंड हाउ इज योर सेंसिटिविटी एंड what immuno boosters have you been taking in a general level. इम्यूनिटी जो है एक दिन में नहीं बनती है. हम ये बिल्कुल नहीं बोल सकते कि हमने आज आर्सेनिक एल्बम खा लिया और हमें कल इन्फेक्शन नहीं होगा, बिकॉज इम्यूनिटी को टाइम लगता है बिल्डअप करने में. इट इज अ ऑनगोइंग प्रोसेस विच वी हैव टू बिल्ड फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग. न्यूट्रिशन एंड नाउ पार्ट 3, evidences of me and home use ministry. In the past, this is our हमारा गहना है, ये हमारी ताकत होम्योपैथी की ये है कि हमने पहले क्या ठीक किया है, इसकी हिस्ट्री हमारे लिए आज एविडेंस हमारे लिए ताकत है. पहली बार 1799 में स्कारलेट फीवर के लिए जर्मनी में डॉक्टर सैमुअल हैनीमैन, हु इज द फाउंडर ऑफ होम्योपैथी, had used these medicines on a mass scale, which gave a great result, and more than 1,000 people were given the medicines and none of them had got infected with that scarlet fever. And belladonna was given with 95% success rate. Earlier in Japanese encephalitis, yellow fever, cholera, diphtheria, influenza, plague, 98% success in treating Spanish flu epidemic in 1918 with 1% mortality rate. You can go and do research with Anisur Rahman Khuda Baksh. He is one of the greatest scientists our world has. He has given to the data he has given to our world, and he has worked on various cases, even with arsenic album. Also, he has the studies are there. National Homeopathic Hospital, 100% in Ohio, 1,000 cases of influenza were given homeopathy. Gelsemium and Bryonia were the medicines used in Spanish flu. अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ होम्योपैथी के जर्नल में भी 1921 में इस फ्लू के बारे में जो रिजल्ट्स होम्योपैथी ने दिए थे उसके बारे में लिखा हुआ है. एंड इन इंडिया डॉक्टर पी शंकरन, बुक ऑफ प्रोफाइलैक्टिस इन होम्योपैथी. ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर द एविडेंसेस व्हाट वी हैव ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ व्हिच वी आर एबल टू टेल टुडे कि होम्योपैथी इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन अ मास लेवल फॉर प्रोफाइलैक्सिस. सो प्रोफाइलैक्सिस एंड प्रिवेंशन. Here I have told about 4 words specially: homeopathic prophylaxis, homeopathic vaccination, genus epidemicus, and vaccination in mainstream medicine. What is homeopathic prophylaxis? It is a short-term, non-routine way of prescription. It is different from, it is like the theory of vaccination, but it is not vaccination. कुछ symptoms लिए और उस basis पे दवाई सबको दे दी. होम्योपैथिक वैक्सीनेशन में नोसोड्स होते हैं जो डिसीज प्रोडक्ट से बनता है, विच इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ वैक्सीनेशन, बट द मेडिसिन्स आर मेड इन अ डिफरेंट वे. होम्योपैथिक वैक्सीनेशन में रिसर्च की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है एंड द गवर्नमेंट शुड फोकस ऑन दैट बिकॉज इट इज वेरी सेफ, बट इट शुड बी गिवन ओनली अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ अ क्वालिफाइड डॉक्टर. सो जीनस एपिडेमिकस is the medicine what Ayush Ministry has suggested. On a mass scale, they have taken the symptoms of corona patients and common symptoms के basis पे एक medicine select की है जो फायदा कर सकती है लोगों का. And fourth is the vaccination in mainstream medicine. अभी हमें वैक्सीन्स का इंतजार तो है, लेकिन उसका रिस्क क्या होगा, कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव होगा या नहीं, और कितना टाइम लगेगा आने में, हम तब तक क्या इंतजार करें. So that is the main question. Should we wait? And till when should we wait? Should we wait for the vaccine, or we should try what we already know and we have in our Indian internal systems? So Ayush Ministry, India, 6th March 2020, there were 30 cases of corona positive in India. So the advisory was released by the Ayush Mantralaya to meet the challenge of spread. It also said in the advisory कि 2014 में एबोला वायरस का अटैक हुआ था, जिसका कोई वायरस एंटीवायरल एंड नो वैक्सीन्स वर देयर, एंड WHO had recommended medicines of homeopathy and Ayurveda because they are safe. So on the basis of that history, again, Indian Ayush Ministry advised to take the arsenic album along with lifestyle management, dietary management, prophylaxis with simple remedies, and homeopathic remedy selected arsenic album. How homeopathy works? Homeopathy works on the basis of law of similars. जो चीज जिस चीज को प्रोड्यूस कर सकती है वही चीज उस चीज को पोटेंटाइज फॉर्म में ठीक कर सकती है. क्योंकि मेडिसिन में मटेरियल क्वांटिटी नहीं रहती है, इट इज many people ask, arsenic album is a metal, how it is not dangerous? Arsenic is a poison, but the metal in the medicine is hardly there. It is so diluted and highly potentized that the dangerous effects are gone and only the positive effects are left in the medicine. It is the concept of nanotechnology and water memory. And it is said that small doses stimulate, medium doses, large doses kill. So vital force is the major point on which the homeopathy works. It is enhanced by the homeopathic medicine. आपको vital force का मैं मतलब समझाना चाहूँगी. We have reached to the greatest science today. We have got all the knowledge, but we cannot give life to a thing. That life is the vital force. The homeopathy medicines work on that vital force, what we are living with, because of that vital force we are alive today. So homeopathy as a prophylaxis. Immunology and serum therapy are close relatives of homeopathy. Both are based on the law of similars. Hippocrates, father of medicine, also suggested on law of similars, and it's high time that we all look back what Hippocrates had actually thought. Today, we are not looking at the law of similars. Let's know more about arsenic album, what Ayush Ministry had suggested. Why? So arsenic album, it covers the main symptoms of all organs and tissues, ailments from crowded places, spoiled meat, like we have seen bat, say the meat has come, meat mein aaya, and that has come into our system, and now also people are scared to eat the non-vegetarian food also. Flu-like symptoms, high temperature, pneumonia, multi-organ failure, rapid violent inflammation, unconsciousness, fear and anxiety. All these symptoms are covered by arsenic album medicine. That is why it has been selected as a medicine by Ayush Ministry. But the doses which they have given is very less. That is why it does not have any side effects, and it is supposed to be taken only 3 times in a month. And newborn to old age, pregnant, breastfeeding, diabetic, cancers, dialysis patients. And it is inexpensive, and it is not a universal cure for COVID. We have to remember that. It is just a prophylaxis, which is a very minute dose. So what I want to share with you was arsenic album 30 is selected. It is a very low dose, but for people whom I know what is their constitution, we tend to give a little higher potency to them. And if their exposure is more, give a higher potency so that they do not get the infections. Arsenic album 30, that is why we cannot claim that it will protect you from corona to all the people. But it is a immunity booster on a very minute level. And in Mumbai, we have repeated the doses in 15 days because the exposure is high. Myths and facts of homeopathy. लोग बोलते हैं कि होम्योपैथी बहुत धीरे काम करती है. It is based on the nature of the disease. अगर बुखार है तो 1 दिन में काम करेगी, लेकिन डायबिटीज है तो it will take time because it's the nature of the disease. Disease diagnosis is not important. The fact is, it is very important to know the common and uncommon symptoms of the disease. People say allopathic doctors do not believe in homeopathy. It's not like that. They themselves take for their families and also recommend to many of the patients. Many people say that homeopathy works only if you have belief in it. See, belief is a different thing, but I have a 1-year-old daughter who takes homeopathy whenever she gets fever. She does not know what is homeopathy or what is allopathy. She gets well within a day. It is given to plants and animals. So there is no question of belief or faith. It is a science and it works if the medicine is given correct. People say we cannot take allopathy and homeopathy together. it can be taken provided the doctor should know what medicines you're taking and in what doses. Diabetics also can take the medicine because the sugar pills are not made of sugar. They're made of sucrose and lactose in a very small quantity. All medicines look alike. They look alike, but they are the pills. They are the vehicles. Otherwise, the dilutions are many, right from 6x, 12x, 3C, 3C, 30C, 1M, 50M, LM. There are many potencies. And avoiding onion, garlic, coffee, all this is not required. And medicines are small in size. Memory. So in my practice, I have been giving all the potencies as a prophylaxis, not only 30. I have been giving 30, 200, 1M. Let the doctor decide and individualize the patient. Homeopathy is a thing of personalized prescription. We cannot give one potency to everybody. If we want the real effect. It is now distributed to more than 10,000 neighbors by me, and your faith in Indian system will help the future. आप लोगों के societies में भी और government भी ये medicine सबको दे रही है. So a data is being built that how well this medicine has acted, and we can show the world that yes, the Indian systems are strong. We need to take a united stand and develop faith in the people in a synchronized way and take the medicines from a qualified homeopathic doctor in a scientific approach. General precautions, it is not a general immunity booster. It has been selected only for the COVID-19 purpose. So do not self-medicate and buy this medicine later for general immunity boosting. It is just to be taken for this period, 1 or 2 months, for COVID-19. For overall health, homeopathy gives individualized prescriptions depending upon the constitution and diathesis. So you must meet a classical homeopath for better health. Must have zinc supplements, melatonin. Many of us in this lockdown, the routine and the rhythm of life is disturbed. We do not sleep on time and we do not wake up on time. So the pineal gland, which is located here, produces melatonin when the lights are off, and it is the major chemical which helps in boosting the immunity. So I request all the people who have children who are watching movies late night, advise them to sleep at time and wake up at time on time to boost up the immunity, because lack of sleep also increases the chances of infections. Vitamin C daily has to be taken more than like around 2000 mg has to be taken. हम एक टैबलेट अगर निम्सी की खाएंगे तो उससे हमें ज़्यादा फायदा नहीं होगा, और नींबू से भी फायदा नहीं होगा कि one नींबू will give you hardly 50 grams to 100 grams of vitamin C, but our body requirement is 2000. So 2 to 3 tablets or 2 amlas. Amla is a very rich source of vitamin C. Must be vitamin D. We all are stuck in the lockdown, not able to take enough sunlight, but whenever you are getting exposure of sun, take enough vitamin D, and the vitamin D like eggs, or if you're vegetarians, have healthy oils, exercise, yoga, meditation. Sodium bicarbonate is also used along with lime to boost up the immunity and even to clean the things which come in our house, and plastic and so many other things it can be used for. Self-development and service to humanity, because self-development and service to humanity gives you satisfaction, what the Rotarians have always been doing. So this service to humanity boosts our immunity because we have a sense of satisfaction when we sleep कि हमने कुछ किया किसी के लिए. That satisfaction also is a major factor of having a healthy life, because we are not guilty of anything. Make a difference in someone's life. Be grateful and teach your children to be grateful, because today we all are really blessed to be in such conditions. We all are seeing how the migrants are suffering. None of us should actually, how can we sleep till all the people rest? They are also fellow human beings, you know. So insights on COVID-19, what and how the world has we have grown Mother Nature. And it is a pandemic also, no doubt. Life has changed for everybody. We have reached to the planet Mars, but we are not able to combat SARS, COVID. We are ready for wars, but we cannot shoot this minutest virus. We are not even able to see this virus. Because we all were busy in self-indulgence, hyper-individualization, narcissism, consumerism, selfishness, and lack of spiritualism. All these things have to be thought of. We need to even think beyond the mainstream medicine, because it is not the question of superiority or inferiority of any system. My fellow doctors and friends are working day in and day out in the hospitals. They need to come back home. But we need to think beyond what we know. We need to trust what the 250 years old homeopathic doctors, homeopathic science has been saying. Everything cannot be dependent on research. Research has been done on arsenic album, and we need to trust that research which is already done, because we don't have time. हम अगर वेट करें कि आज से रिसर्च हो, 6 महीने के बाद हमें वो रिसर्च का स्टडी मिलेगा, उसके बाद हम आर्सेनिक देंगे, तब तक हमें और लेट हो चुका होगा. हम वो रिस्क नहीं ले सकते. हम आज HCQ का भी ट्रायल ले रहे हैं, हम आज वैक्सीन्स का भी ट्रायल ले रहे हैं, तो हम होम्योपैथी विच इज सेफ इसका ट्रायल लेना चाहिए, और बहुत खुशी खुशी लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि मास लेवल पे इसका कोई साइड इफेक्ट देखा नहीं गया है. एंड आर्सेनिक एल्बम मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी कि ये मेडिसिन इतनी कॉमन मेडिसिन है, बचपन से हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं इस मेडिसिन को सिंपल कोल्ड एंड कफ एंड फीवर्स को ट्रीट करने के लिए. इट इज नॉट अ न्यू मेडिसिन. If you get COVID infections, we change the potencies, we give other medicines on the basis of individualization. Just have open and, you know, gather information and try to use everything around us with a positive approach. So the pills which are small, actually they are big and tiny, and they are really powerful. Let's let our education come along with wisdom. Only education doesn't bring wisdom. Balance and control of our mind and heart is most important. That is the lesson we have learned in COVID-19. Strong, stay safe. Jai Hind. Thank you. This is my small presentation.
Thank you, Dr. Sonia, for the session and important information.
Thank you. Nitin, there are some few questions.
Yes, yes. Happy
Yeah.
month.
Yes.
Before meantime, I welcome District Secretary Nitin Jadhav and DJND Kaila Jitani.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir. Thank you, everybody. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Sonia, for the insights which you gave us. I think there are a lot of people who would like to ask you a couple of questions. What we'll take the questions one by one. So if anyone has a question to ask, just put it on the chat that they want to go in next, or they can just raise their hand, all right? And I'll unmute that person, or you can unmute yourself and ask the question. And then please mute yourself again, because otherwise दूसरे किसी को disturb होगा. So who would like to go in first? Anybody wants to start with the questions? Yeah.
Nitin ji.
Yeah, Nitin ji, go ahead.
Dr. Sonia, once again, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Dr. Sonia, are there any medicines used in homeopathy or vitamin D?
Pardon, sir?
I think everyone is unmute. Sorry to disturb you, but I think the host has unmuted everyone. Oh, there's a...
Okay. Now I think all is muted. Yeah, Dr. Sonia. So are you getting me?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
my question is that are there any medicine available in homeopathy for vitamin D?
So vitamin D is a nutrition. It is nutrition. Homeopathy medicines are potentized medicines which are for curing certain ailments. But vitamin D is in a nutritional aspect. So nutrition is different and homeopathy is different. Vitamin D can be taken in the medical shops,
Okay.
normal medical shops.
Thank you.
Santosh, can you unmute Kailash, DGND Kailash? He wants to ask a
I'm
question.
a host now. I'll unmute him.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, Kailaji.
Yeah, good evening, Dr. Sonia. I have been benefited from homeopathy in my childhood when rheumatoid arthritis was thing for everybody. I'm talking about 35 years back, and that was the time when the stream of allopathic doctors did not know about rheumatoid arthritis. It was very difficult to diagnose also. At that point of time, at the age of 13, I got rheumatoid arthritis. And there was a point in time when, after 3 months of suffering, my parents, as parents of a 13-year-old, had lost hope in my life, and that was a time when homeopathic saved me, and it was only a matter of 2 months, and I got 100% of it. So I have great faith in homeopathy, actually, but I fail to understand why Iran, which was suffering so much. Iran is known to be the home of homeopathic medicine. Why Iran did not get into homeopathic treatments of COVID? Did you get my question? Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Kailash. Sonia has left what by mistake? No, she's mute on. She's on mute actually.
I unmute him.
Yeah, she's on mute.
Was my question understood?
Yes, Kailash. Just that she's unmute actually. She's being mute. Nitin,
Yeah, unable
just
to.
unmute her ना. She थोड़ा नीचे है देखो वो. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh है शायद.
Yes.
Dr. Sonia. Yeah. मिला?
तो problem आ रहा है actually.
I think she have left me.
Sonia is there, but
She was logged in from two IDs.
No, I think she has left.
One
us.
of the IDs is not there anymore.
Therefore,
Okay.
you
Other
must
IDs.
use those records. Even if you are like family members, you are like
Just
close
call
family
it-
members, whatever, but you must do that.
So she
Second
handling
comes is
another
audit.
meeting happening.
Now, Rotary year is from July to June, right?
Nitin, you
And trust year is a financial year. That is
have to mute
April to
every-
Please come
March.
back actually.
Sorry, my connection had got it got disconnected.
No issue.
Yes, sir. Now you can ask.
Kailash, your question again.
Yes.
Kailash को unmute करो.
Yes. Okay. I believe you have not heard my question. So my question was that though we have a lot of faith in homeopathy, but I fail to understand why Iran, which was the worst sufferer of COVID-19 disease and is known to be the home of homeopathic Iran did not get into homeopathic to its people.
Overall, the whole world is actually dominated by the pharmaceutical industries, and 20 to 30 in Iran, I do not know, but not more than 20% population uses homeopathy. In India, it is the highest number of people who use homeopathy, and few doctors in Iran who had used homeopathy had got great results in Italy and Iran both. But it is not as propagated as the other systems of medicines are propagated. It is a very sad part actually. The world should use this as much as possible and create awareness about it. That
I
is
understand. I understand your point of the homeopathic medicine users being the largest in India because we are the largely populated. We are the large country.
yes,
The population density is very high
yes,
in that matter. But Iran, if it has got some success in treating patients with COVID,
yes.
why is it not being documented? Who's stopping them from creating videos on the social digital media platform?
There
Social
are
media platforms.
Dr. Rajan
No,
Shankaran
no. Ajahn Shankaran actually has wherein all the Ayush Mantralaya and all are promoting arsenic album 30.
yes,
Rajan Shankaran has prescribed camphora
yes, yes.
for the Bajaj group.
True, true, true.
And after that, I don't know why. And Rajiv Bajaj was himself heard saying that I don't know why Ayush Mantralaya is not promoting camphora.
Yes,
So I don't know. There is a confusion.
yes.
Uh,
I will try to. I hope I'll try to make you understand. So I am also part of Homeopathic Research Institute, Pune, under international teachers like Dr. Ajit Kulkarni. So we all also were a part of this study, and when this ministry was, taking the decision of album, camphora is a medicine which is used mostly when there is a diarrhea with collapse in the patients of COVID. And in India, those symptoms are not more present. The symptoms of arsenic album medicine were more prominent than the cases of camphora. And arsenic album medicine has been used widely all over India, and all the states have been obediently following the guidelines of Ayush Ministry from the day 1 March 6th, when the Ayush Ministry has started this campaign of arsenic album. And Gujarat also used this medicine in more than 80 lakhs people. Kerala also, they have given this medicine for 80 to 90 lakhs people, for free of cost by the Ayush Ministry. And it has given great results. The trust in camphora, all the doctors of India was not as, the study of camphora has been done by everybody, but nobody could understand why camphora is being prescribed in India, where the symptoms of camphora are not available. It is only doctors saying camphora, but all the other, I think 5,000 doctors of homeopathy in India, more than that I believe, are supporting and in favor of arsenic album. So I think we must go what most of the people are saying, not with just one person. Iran, where the symptoms were different, and this virus is so naughty that it goes everywhere and creates different symptoms. Sometimes it does not have any symptoms only. Many patients are asymptomatic, and arsenic album covers most of the symptoms, including the fear and anxiety what we all going through, and the OCD, like cleaning, mania of cleaning, the fastidiousness we all have come into, the perfectionism cleaning has come. That all is covered by arsenic album, and camphora doesn't cover those symptoms.
Would it be safe to say that I don't know, what is your view on herd immunity?
Yes, herd immunity is important, and soon it will come also. But till when it will come, we do not know. And most of the people, they say they will be affected today or tomorrow by COVID, and it automatically the herd immunity might come. Herd immunity is very important. It has to come as soon as possible. Otherwise, more people will.
It can only come when the lockdown opens up. Otherwise, it won't come.
True, actually, we cannot sit at home and develop immunity of anybody. Neither बड़ों की भी immunity नहीं पड़ेगी, बच्चे भी जैसे ही घर से बाहर निकलेंगे 1 या 2 महीने बाद बारिश का season start हो जाएगा, there will be definite increase of viral infections. There will be increase in infections even of seniors. So we will be very confused that time. Is it COVID or is it a normal flu or is it a seasonal change? It is not going to be that great after 1 or 2 months. I believe we must take out our children at least for some time in isolation, at least for some time with the nature. They should connect to the nature. Sudden exposure to the nature and germs will again bring infections. We should all learn to be a little dirty. Doesn't matter.
Thank you.
Okay.
I hope I am able to answer your questions.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much, Dr. Sonia, for that again. Next, we have DS Prakash.
Yeah, good evening, Dr. Sonia.
Namaste, good evening.
Yeah, it's very nice to hear all these things. Whatever input you have given, it's excellent. And my compliment to all the president for organizing this session. We are in Dombivli area, under KDMC. Whatever you have told, this medicine where it is available, because in Dombivli we are trying, but we are not getting it.
It is. You can.
Do you have any idea about the doctors who are practicing in Dombivli?
I will find out and tell you, sir, because as of now I do not know anybody. I will find out and let you know.
Because we had tried in Dombivli office of the KDMC, but there it is not available.
We will try, and if it is not available, we will try to make it available.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Thank you once again. Then we have Smita. Nitin, can you just...
I'm good, Smita.
Yeah.
Yeah, Smita, please.
Thank you, Dr. Sonia, for this wonderful and very informative session presentation. Ma'am, I have a very basic question about vitamin C. I have 3 questions in one question.
Yes.
Why vitamin C is so much important during this COVID-19? Because there is so much of vitamin C, you have to take vitamin C. So why is it that important, only vitamin C? Secondly, how can add it more, because if lime is not going to give us that sufficient amount of vitamin C, आम जैसे आंवला घर पे बनाए जैसे मोरावला है वो सब हमारे घर पे है, but still if they are not good enough to increase the vitamin C, lim C, if we are taking one lim C and if it is that also is not enough, then what are the sources or how we are going to increase that? Is there any homeopathic medicine, as Nitin asked about D3, is there any medicine to increase time? And the third question within this same question is, there are some vegetables which we bring and we are told that we are supposed to wash them with the soap. So what is the connection between washing the vegetables or fruits with the soap? Because all these oranges and all, they are vitamin C rich, and we are washing them. If we are washing them with the soap water, are they going to affect the quality of vitamin C in it?
Okay. So first I will start with vitamin C, what all information I know about vitamin C and what all we have read. Daily intake of vitamin C should be 2000 to 3000 units.
Okay.
And 1 nimbu or 2 nimbus is not sufficient. Even 1 amla is also not sufficient. Vitamin C is the major nutrient for fighting any infection. My sister is a nutritionist, and whenever there is cold, anybody in our house, she prescribes to 3000 or 5000 units of vitamin C every day, which gives results in 1 or 2 days. And it must be taken empty stomach. The fruits which have vitamin C are having sugar also in this. When we have vitamin C with carbohydrate or sugar, it is not absorbed as much as it should. So eating with is good, but it will help you in digestion, but it is not going to suffice the amount of it should be there in your daily need to fight against infections. Dr. Brownstein, he is one of the naturopaths of America. He in his clinic, alternative medicines clinic, has been treating COVID patients only with vitamin C because there is a cytokine release to fight against the virus in the body. So they have been using 5000 to 7000 units of vitamin C to treat COVID patients. They do not go on ventilators, and none of the patients has died.
Wow.
This is the study. You can go online and read about Dr. Brownstein's treatment in US.
Dr. Brownstein.
This is more important. That is why they have been enforcing on vitamin C. Next, the soaps. Frankly speaking, मैंने आज तक किसी भी सब्जी को या फल को नहीं धोया पानी साबुन के पानी से, nor I have used sodium bicarbonate. I can sound to be a little ये डॉक्टर है, ये क्यों नहीं फॉलो कर रहे हैं. I believe internally, I believe जब तक हमारी immunity strong है, कुछ भी नहीं होगा हमें. And I'm working on the immunity level. सुबह उठते से we have ginger and salt and many other kadas and whatever. The whole day we are taking healthy. We are not taking sugar, and we are exercising, doing pranayam. So that is more important to build an immunity rather than just washing the fruits and vegetables, because one day you will stop doing it.
Correct. Correct.
तो बोलते हैं ना, how long will we do it?
करेंगे.
हाँ.
देर तक करते रहेंगे ये.
हाँ, तो उससे साइकोलॉजिकली भी बहुत प्रेशर आता है और डर भी ज्यादा लगता है. हम देखिए ना, माइग्रेंट्स हैं, poor people who really do not know about all these things. Everybody does not get COVID.
Yeah.
We have to concentrate on our immunity and our vital force.
Yes.
Which is not built in a day or not with one dose of arsenic album. That is also very true.
That is true. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Yeah, Mir.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, next we have one of my club members, senior members, Dr. Jain, Dr. Sanjeev Jain. So he would also like to ask one of the questions.
It was a nice presentation, Dr. Sonia. Only
Thank
thing
you
is,
so
I joined a little late. So as I understand, this is basically to boosting the immunity. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Like, because one of my club members is also doing a project with one of the foundation and distributing this medicine in Dharavi and all.
Okay.
So it's like, what is your comparison between this drug and hydrochloroquine, which is also an initial phase? It's not an immunity booster, as you say, the hydrochloroquine there, but which has also been given to the patient as a prophylactic, as a therapeutic, not as a therapeutic, but prophylactically to get a corona or prevent yourself from the corona. So what is the difference between the hydrochloroquine preventing you or immunity booster by this drug to, if suppose this drug is really an immunity booster, Mumbai is a very, very red hot spot. What is your thought that we should be able to cover this hot spot and we should be able to boost the immunity of all those people in Dharavi and other slums by giving this medicine?
Hydrochloroquine or arsenic album?
Arsenic album.
Okay, yeah.
Because if you see, the people are right and left distributing this medicine, Arogya Setu has said, and everybody saying, but are they going in a right dosage or right, correct platform, or they're just distributing 2,000 bottles, 100 bottles, and right dose not going? So what is your take on it?
Yes, it's a very important question. I appreciate this concern because अगर arsenic album 30 potency on a mass level काम नहीं करती, तो हम जो कर रहे हैं उसका फायदा इतना नहीं होता है, तो we'll feel इतने efforts हम दे रहे हैं arsenic album distribute करने के, we need results. Definitely, as I told before, immunity is a variable thing. If we are not following all the approaches of maintaining a proper, healthy, hygienic lifestyle and only depending on arsenic, I would not say that it would I would not claim to do great on a mass level, but it would certainly help. And only arsenic album 30 के अलावा भी my teacher, who is an international teacher, Dr. Ajit Kulkarni, you can see his paper in hpathy.com. He has recommended different doses for different age groups.
Okay.
But it is very difficult to practically give different dosages to 2 crore population.
Exactly. So see, the we Rotarians are in, very, or other NGOs, they are very, very keen on these kind of projects and
Yes.
distributing the medicine. Now, is that the
No,
wrong
it
thing
is
to
not
do it?
wrong thing. It is
Distributing the medicine.
something.
Listen to me. Listen. It's a wrong thing to do and not do in a proper format and proper way the patient selection or the people where you're distributing the thousand and thousand tons of medicine and that's getting wasted for nothing.
Yes. My teacher has always told me that this project have been done in a synchronized way by the colleges and the medical colleges and the hospitals.
Exactly.
But now it is done by the
Exactly.
politicians, which is not going in a right direction.
Last funding, that you need to give funds and we have to distribute this medicine and the COVID में emotional अत्याचार चल रहा है वहाँ पर to get the funds.
Yeah,
That's not
and
correct.
you will not believe, even I got calls from few corporators that not corporators but some people who are working under them, that give us the pills and give us the bottles, we take the medicine. I refuse right because that is not the right way. That will spoil the name of homeopathy on a long run. You should take from either certified homeopath or homeopathic medical colleges or through hospitals. That would be the right way.
So in any case, what you're suggesting is take this medicine in a proper way, and
Yes.
also the same time you have to follow the other precautions. Otherwise, if you're not following the other precautions of hygiene and other things, then there's no
Because
there's no
social
point.
distancing is important.
Yes.
And if once our local trains start, you know
I
how
know that.
it is 6 feet. How will we maintain distance in the local train?
Absolutely.
So there is risk. It is like
Even
we cannot. If we are having a diabetic medicine, we cannot daily take sugar just because we are having a diabetic medicine. So arsenic album is going to help you, but not completely prevent you.
Thank you.
even today also it is not possible to maintain the distance.
True, it is not
Sin-
possible.
Yeah, it is over dense population in our region.
Yes, absolutely true. That is why the cases have been increasing, and
Yeah.
arsenic album will at least be a little support.
We have to be this.
My friends who are working in good hospitals in Mumbai and few allopathic doctors also all have taken these medicines while seeing patients during the lockdown. None of them has got COVID positive, but I have given them a different dosage, a little higher dosage, because their exposure is more. Because I know their constitution.
Yeah.
On a mass level, unless I know the constitution, I cannot give a higher dosage. Regarding hydroxychloroquine, drug, it is very respected drug, but I'm not against it. But today I'm seeing in the newspaper and articles, even ICMR and WHO are, having different views of hydroxychloroquine. Alternative, safer methods and cost-effective methods. Many people who are taking hydroxychloroquine are also getting nausea, sleepiness. So we must think of those angles also, how safe the chemicals are. And the arsenic album, if given in a wise way, has no side effects.
See, basically, most of the health workers, they're taking hydroxychloroquine. In India, most of the physicians, especially in Bombay, like the pair I practice,
Yes.
they believe that hydroxychloroquine work. My question is again to you, that whether both the things can be taken together, like your
Yes,
arsenic
absolutely they
album,
can.
as any different.
Yes,
any issue.
absolutely they can be taken. Just we will not know what has worked, but it doesn't matter. We should be safe with whatever we are taking. How long will we use hydroxychloroquine is my query to many doctors.
So the question is that they're saying that till the time the COVID is last, as you said, you have to boost up your immunity till the time your COVID is lasting. So
Will
you
it
have to take the hydroxychloroquine every week for 2 tablets every week.
But that chemical is having its own effects. So that is
See,
a
the rheumatoid patients, I think it's a over exaggerated side effects which has been talked all over to confuse the mass. And
Yes.
of course, as you correctly says, the allopathic industry is dominated by the huge marketing by the big companies. So the big companies who feel this is the smallest cost-effective drug, which can be really beneficial, I'm not very sure about it.
Yeah,
They're
it
taking
is
it over and pronouncing the side effects more. 1 in 10,000 one get ECG problem, and then who has the cardiac issues, they get a problem and they come up with this huge side effects of this hydroxychloroquine. But it has been used in a rheumatoid patients. They take
Yes,
regularly,
absolutely.
and
Yes,
there's hardly
it
any
is.
side effects, and they improves. Basically, nobody knows what is the real pathology of COVID till now. Okay, so that's why they're talking. Everything is going to be tested and tried. Everything is going to be tested and tried.
Every case is a new case of COVID,
Yes,
actually.
Exactly.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Okay, that was a long communication. So even we got insights from between two doctors, basically.
Make it continue, yaar, Rajay Patel. It is more beneficial for you.
I believe every patient should get an integrated approach to treatment.
That's
right. There is
That's right.
Yes.
Dr. Sonia, Dr.
AG Sangram also has a question after this.
Yeah, Mir, better you introduce about the Dr. Jain, Sanjay Jain.
Yeah, sure. So Dr. Jain is a practicing orthopedic surgeon in Hiranandani Hospital. And he has been very famous for his surgeries, basically knee joint surgeries. And so I'm not technically aware of the words he uses in his field. So I would want him to just throw some light on his profession.
No, I would not. I would not take this platform. But the only thing is, I'm a Rotarian for many years, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon, and I'm more interested in joint replacement surgery, which I practice. My humble request to all the Rotarians who's attending this webinar or this Zoom meeting is that don't get worried about the COVID. See, we are going every day to the hospital. So you should not be afraid of this COVID. In fact, as she said, you need to come out very disciplinary outside, and somehow everybody who even, I'm not sure that I could have got the COVID also long back and it's gone through and my immunity survived me. So until you are exposed to it and a very good immunity, I'm sure that you will come out of it. Only simple thing is what all doctors, we are going to the hospital every day. We are seeing there's a COVID ward. We are seeing the patient. I've operated a COVID patient. In fact, the only thing is just a discipline, social distancing, hand hygiene, and your protection. If you keep all these things together, I think you need not worry anywhere. And naturally, you have to be healthy. You have to do some exercises. It is good that you should do some pranayam every day. You try to test yourself. That people say you don't believe in yoga. I believe in yoga. So you just try to do pranayam a little bit every day. That means your test is fine. There's no COVID at all. Roj subah utke garam pani ka gargle karo. Thoda sa, your throat is fine. You're okay. Otherwise, every time you cough and you say that Baba COVID ho gaya.
That's great, doctor.
So you have to come out with the psychology of fear of the COVID, and nobody is going to suffer from it as long as you're healthy. And definitely you keep your psychology very strong. You have to be mentally very strong. Don't get, as a stigma of that, अरे उस पे उधर दे उसको टच कर लेगा तो कोविड हो जाएगा उसको टच कर no, not at all. You keep yourself safe, hand hygiene, social distancing. I'm sure that many of the people, they are surviving and nothing is going to happen. And you have to come out. At one point of time, this lockdown is going to get over. Everybody is going to get exposed. You never going to know who's going to be positive, who's going to be negative. Exactly. So you have to come out. That's what.
100%. That is what, sir, I want to say that every carrier is a time bomb within himself.
Exactly.
So what the Ayush Ministry has recommended, the arsenic album, nothing wrong to take by masses.
Agree. They just want to improve the immunity. Yes. Definitely. But the people are misusing this particular drug, and probably there's going to get a bad name for such a good drug, maybe. Okay, because it's not going to work. So they're going to say it's not working.
हाँ, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. And it should be taken from a right doctor or
exactly. Right people. Right people.
That is a matter of concern in our homeopathic also.
Exactly.
Sonia, as you told, it should be gone through the doctors only. Then the people will have the confidence for the medicines, because we have the confidence on all the doctors.
Yes.
Whatever instruction given by our family doctors or doctor, we are following this everything. So we are proud of you all doctors for serving the excellent apart from your family and everything. So it's a great job all doctors are doing all over the world. So we salute you all the medical professionals. And it's from the bottom of our heart, we salute you all. That's great. From the next to God, you doctors are serving the nation.
Plus medical supplies.
Okay, so this reminds me that AG Sangram has one question to be asked. So can you just unmute him?
Yeah.
I have unmuted.
Okay, hi.
Dr. Sonia, it must have been a pleasure to hear you, but unfortunately I was doing my supplies, and that is why I just came home and I had a quick bath, and I could, by the time you had finished your session. So when Kailash was talking with you, I just happened to interrupt. And so my question perhaps might have been answered by you. So I come to know that there is a great shortage of the globules which you guys use in Thane area.
The news, it has come. Earlier, each
Was this covered in the topic or?
No, it has not been covered.
Not covered.
Earlier, in my practice or anybody's practice, hardly 2 or 3 kilos of pills were used.
Are you making some provisions so that the globules come over, or would you like any help in that? In the part, if you need any help, perhaps my team would be there with you.
Yes.
But if at all you need, then only then.
Yes, sir. Definitely. But the pills, the manufacturing of pills and plastic bottles is a shortage because of lockdown.
Yeah.
And the demand has increased definitely because 2 crore population, that much production was not even expected.
Correct.
So few doctors, conscientious doctors, put a good stock.
Thane region has also taken this into consideration, and FDA Thane has now made a request that if at all you guys can can procure more of the globules, then it would be nice. So, and the second question, perhaps you must have again answered during your discourse, is that you said that more and more people should be using it and using it correctly.
Yes.
So I feel if more and more doctors come out,
definitely they must.
I'm really thankful for all the doctors who are practicing, but there is a great lot who are not practicing also.
Definitely.
So if more and more doctors have come out in this time, when these are the times when the society really needs, like soldiers, like pharmacists are soldiers, like doctors.
That's what I have been, telling in my videos that I myself cannot do more than 10, 15, 20,000.
Correct.
Or with a group of people, I can go to some lakhs of people. But every doctor, every person should have that fire within them to serve the society. That fire.
People like Dr. Sanjeev, people like our Dr. Girish Birud, who's practicing in Kalyan. These are the people who are really on the.
Dr. Devdutt Desai, I really salute him.
I mean, we might just fall short of names, but there is an equal lot, if not more, who are not doing it.
Not doing it, sir. अभी उनका आत्मा उनको सोने कैसे देता है ये मुझे नहीं समझ में आता. This is the karma and this is the true testing time of any person.
Correct.
I think we need to be cautious and aware and do anything.
If you could also share your number, perhaps if it has not been shared, then perhaps if we want to take a consulting from you.
Yes, absolutely, sir.
We are exposed the most. We travel throughout the district.
You must take higher dosages. What I prescribe to some doctors, I don't prescribe the same arsenic album 30 to everybody. I prescribe higher dosages to people whom I know and who can take higher dosages because of their exposure.
So if at all in the chat, if you can share her number and address, perhaps you are in Thane.
Sangram, I have the number. I'll share with you.
Yes.
Nitin, share it in our group so everybody will be able to be in contact.
Ji sir, bilkul, I will share.
Definitely happy to help you because I know her nature.
Yeah, and perhaps I think about the politicians also, which you said that more and more politicians are doing it. That is perhaps because they want to reach out to the masses, and when we do not have a system which works, then we do not blame anybody else, but we blame the politicians.
Sir, actually, what I will tell you, मेरा सबसे बड़ा दुख ये रहा है. March 6, I want to share with you. March 6, Ayush Ministry has advised this. All the other states like Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. I am from Andhra Pradesh, and I have many friends in Andhra Pradesh and Kerala who are in Ayush government. In Gujarat also, continues there were videos of the government distributing the Madhya Pradesh also. I have studied in Madhya Pradesh, so I have friends there also. Through the government, free medicine distribution was being done by Ayush department. Only Bombay did not listen to the Ayush ministry. I myself wrote so many letters to so many people, kindly take homeopathy seriously. Why not give it a try? It is a safe medicine. There is nothing wrong in giving it. The Ayush ministry is being followed by all the states. Why Bombay? 3 महीना लग गया बॉम्बे को ये डिसीजन लेने में. ये जो पिल्स आज कम हुई हैं, ये पिल्स मार्च में कम हो जानी चाहिए थी. I don't know why we took so much time in believing homeopathy or discussing within our own colleagues, or we think a lot in Bombay.
Perhaps coffee is the reason. People
It's
love coffee.
required. And that obedience of other states is so simple. They just take it. They just take it. They don't.
There is,
नहीं लगाते हैं. जब
I think there is no side effect, so we should believe in.
Yes.
they must, but it took 2 months, 3 months to believe it when we have already crossed so many deaths.
Yeah.
Figures. Yeah.
It's a very,
Correct.
very sad face, sir. For a conscientious, it is a very sad face.
I have one more question, Dr. Sonia.
Yes.
So this is on behalf of DGND Kailash. He was trying to ask whether the pills have to be taken. Is it better if the pills are taken in those white pills format, or it should be in liquid format? What is more?
Everything is the same. 1 drop of medicine is enough to stimulate the vital force.
Okay. So it will have the same impact, even if
Yes,
it's
yes,
in the
absolutely,
white.
absolutely, yes.
All right.
Pills
So-
are the vehicles, and drops are not to be taken in directly on the tongue. It has to be always taken in the water. So anything is the same.
Okay. I see. All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Sonia. I think we do not have any more questions. I don't see anyone else coming up with any questions. I hope everyone was able to enjoy today's session and also had a lot of information related to.
And one more thing I want
Yeah,
to say, really today we are doctors. We have done 8 years, 9 years of study in medical colleges. We have served patients. Today we are not allowed to practice homeopathy on COVID patients. It is the sad state of the government.
It's a sad. And why they are having the homeopathy hospitals and
the allopathic hospital and only give saline. That is a very sad phase. At least not everybody. Few reputed doctors should be given the chance to treat COVID patients. So the whole system is in a mess, and I pray to God that everybody gets some conscience and be open to every kind of system and try in a wise way.
Absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
So Nitin, would you like to take it over, or?
I think.
Yeah, Prakash here. Nitin is celebrating his anniversary tomorrow.
Yeah.
So let's have the great anniversary celebration, Nitin and Madhuri.
Yes, thank you very much, Prakash ji.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Congratulations in advance.
Have a great celebration at home only.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nitin, secretary, you want to say something? Nitin?
Celebrate at home.
Hi, Nitin.
Yes, Nitin.
Hi. How are you, Prakash bhai? Thank you, Dr.
Fine,
Sonia.
fine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And thanks, Nitin and Mihir, for a nice meeting, and it's a need of the hour. And please, Dr. Sonia, please share your number. Otherwise, I can take it from Nitin or Mihir also.
Yes.
But if you share, that is better.
I will write it in the chat box. My number.
Yeah, please do that.
That is great.
Okay.
I think Mir, now we can take for the vote of thanks.
All right. Okay. Thank you. So thank you so much, Dr. Sonia, once again on behalf of Rotary Club of basically from RIT 142 district.
And open my mind and able to talk and express. Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you. So I would also like to thank all my co-presidents along with whom we started this meeting and we planned for it. So starting with SP Nitin, thank you so much for inviting us to take this meeting in a joint format. It was very kind of informative. We all found it very interesting. Thank you, SP Santosh, for being around and helping us organize this meeting. Are you there?
Yeah, he's there.
He's come back.
Okay. There you are. Santosh, thank you so much for organizing the meeting along with Nitin. And also thank you to our SP Sanjeev Joshi from RC Dombivli City. Thank you so much for joining in the meeting along with your members. And Smart President Prakash Sinker, President of RC Dombivli and Industrial Area. And lastly, thank you to Jyoti as well, SP Jyoti Chavan, for making that wonderful video of National Anthem. Okay. And thanks to AG Sangram, DS Prakash, DGND Kailash, and also DS, we have Nitin here. So thank you all for joining in. And I'm sorry if I'm missing anyone apart from this. And apart from that, again, thanks to all the members of Rotary Club of Thane Imperial and Rotary Club of Thane Aces, as well as Rotary Club of Dombivli who were present here. And we would like to also forward our thanks to everyone who has helped in making this meeting a successful one. Okay. So
Congratulations all the smart presidents for organizing this most needed session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you. Over to you again, Nitin, if you would like to add something.
Thank you, Dr. Sonia. It was a wonderful session.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Sonia.
Dr. Sonia, thank you very much for giving your valuable time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We know.
One more
Thanks,
request.
doctor.
Yes, yes. We have our president-elect, Jyoti here. Yes, Jyoti.
Yeah, if possible, can we get the presentation? It's a very nice presentation.
Yes,
And
definitely.
it's very helpful to, yeah, it's very helpful.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mihir, please share in our group, yaar.
ठीक है. Definitely I will. Nitin ji,
Please,
presentation एक बार share कर देना.
Sure, sure.
Yeah,
Definitely.
because जो organize किया था, it was very nice, Dr. Sita. You started it with in a story format, how it all came in and how it has impacted the mind and how we can tackle with it. What are the symptoms? So a lot of insight.
It's very useful.
Very useful. It is
Very useful. Thank you, Dr. Sonia.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
okay.
So can I adjourn the meeting now?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Thanks, Nitin.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.